I'll be following the steps in the training plan of Lesson 2 found on pages 30 and 31. I've selected 8 different treats, and Cider got a chance to taste them earlier. Before starting the assessment, I washed my hands. When presenting the treats to Cider, I hold them loosely in each hand and allow her to smell them. Whichever hand she pays more interest in, I'll open my palm and let her get the treat. There will be 3 trials for each assessment comparing 2 kinds of treats. Now that this first assessment is complete, Cider will load up in her crate while I go wash my hands, so there's no lingering scent of these treats when we start the next assessment. I'm going to continue the same process for the remaining 4 treats. Then we'll see which are her favorite 2 treats out of the top 4.